Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be making pho today, and I looked up a lot of recipes on TikTok, on YouTube, and I came across one where it requires using this, and it kind of simplified the recipe. So I'm gonna try this, but I do have like all the other ingredients that it calls for if you want to really get down and make it from scratch. I'm gonna try it with all this next time. I have the beef bones in my... Okay, y'all, so this is the paste. It smells a little strong. I don't know. It's supposed to smell like that, but it comes with this little seasoning pack that you put in the water, and then they said to use half of this paste for... Okay, y'all, so I have my water going. I'm about to char the ginger and the onion, and I probably will do a little bit of garlic in the oven. I'm cutting this back part off. I've seen a lot of people leave it on, but I don't know. I just don't know. And a lot of people use the whole onion, but I'm only using a half because my pot is really not... I think I it up. I'm hoping I'm putting enough ginger. Now it's gonna go in the oven to char. So I'm just gonna put it in here. And then we're still waiting on the ginger, the onions, and the garlic to char. I think there's a little bit too much water. Okay, y'all, so I'm not gonna lie, this smells very flavorful. Like, it's giving that smell of pho when you get it from the restaurant. And so you want to take the charred pieces off, I guess. So you don't want to put it in your broth because then it will taste burnt, of course. So this onions going in, and the ginger, that little bit shouldn't hurt nothing. And this is what it looks like so far. I think I put way too much water. Okay, so I peeled my shrimp because mine is just going to be a shrimp pho. And I'm going to put the skin or the shell from the shrimp into my pot for the extra flavor. And I tasted the broth, you guys, just to see what it was giving. And it literally tastes just, I'm telling you, it's so flavorful. It tastes just like the restaurant. So I'm gonna let this boil for like another 30 minutes. The back of the pack says actually to let it boil for an hour. But since I'm just not putting my ginger and onion in, I'm gonna let it, because it's been boiling about. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just about to start taking everything out. And I'm about to make the noodles. And I'm gonna I'm about to put my shrimp in here also. You put the shrimp like 5 minutes before it's done, because you don't want your shrimp to be all rubbery and nasty. And you could put chicken, beef, whatever you want, but I'm only putting shrimp. Tomorrow I only have a little bit of shrimp because I didn't know how the broth would turn out. But tomorrow I might go get a rotisserie chicken and put some rotisserie chicken. We'll use rotisserie chicken for the leftovers. And the broth is not too dark. I kept seeing people say you don't want your broth to be too dark. It looks just like how I do when I get from the restaurant. Okay, and another thing, I just took my strainer. I already got basically all the little leftover pieces of ginger that I broke off and onion. You could take your strainer and just put it in there and get the leftover out. Okay, and then you want to prepare your veggies that you're going to use. So, some cilantro. And please make sure you wash the cilantro really good because, of course, it has a lot of dirt on it. You can even use vinegar or baking soda or water to wash it if you want. Okay, and don't forget your lime, or you can do lemon too. But I have limes I need to eat, so that's all you need. The here's the Brussels or the bean sprouts. I'm gonna blanch those after I do the noodles. So you want to boil the water for the noodles. These are the noodles that I'm using. And the instruction says you want to boil them, boil the water, and then you want to dip the faux noodles into the water for only like 10 seconds, I want to say. 5 to 10 seconds. I'm going to do 5 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and add the shrimp. I think that should be enough noodles for me for tonight. And next, I'm going to blanch the bean sprouts. Make sure there are no bacteria or nothing. I like a lot of juice. Okay, I'm going to add my bean sprouts. Okay, so then I have that. I'm gonna add some jalapenos. I'm gonna add my onion. A few onions. Cilantro. Lime. I only need 1 lime. And this might be too much cilantro. Okay, so these are the sauces I put in my pho. Spicy chili, hoisin sauce, and this pho, the broth tastes so good you really don't need any of this. But if you like spice, then you can add to your liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some chili oil. Ooh, I hope it's not too spicy because I haven't had this brand before. A little chili oil. A little bit of fish sauce. A little hoisin. This chili oil is very spicy. This is my first time having it. And voila, pho made in 1 hour. I don't have the best lighting in my house, y'all, but this is what it looks like in the lights. Get into it.